Welcome to Christman's Garage. It's hot in eastern North Carolina. It's humid in eastern North Carolina. And I think it's even hotter inside this shop. Old 1999 Ford Ranger. Old marker light up here. You look at it, trying to figure out how to change on it, and you can't really get up in there. The two screws are down here underneath, two Phillips screws. The thing you got to be careful of is this little plastic piece will fall down back here. This little plastic piece right here will fall down when you take these out. You got to make sure you pick it back up when you put the screws back in. So we'll just take these right on off. Two screws, there they are. See, this little piece fell down then, and this thing should pop out. Yep, just like that. Here's your little, you should be able to turn that about a quarter turn. There it is. There's your bulb, and she just pulls out. That's like a 194, it's amber. Old amber replacement, there she is. We're gonna try to stick her in there. See if she lights up. She should. Turn the parking lights on. Just reach your hand right in the window there. Turn the parking lights on for me. There she is. Yep. Turn it back off. All right. We're gonna pop her back in there. Reverse procedure. Quarter turn. She locks in place. It's got a little tit up here that slides in, just like that. And then, like I said, the only trick was to make sure that this little, I'm gonna go on and get my screw in there like this. I gotta pick this piece up here, just like that. And if we can keep it at enough angle, just like that. I'll stick this screw right there, just like that. Tighten these up, and you're good to go. So remember, if she's giving trouble, she's going to the bad.